All right, boys and girls, here we are in lesson 5, part 4. Let's jump straight in. It says, in the last step, both objects align to the space between them, which means we had one object over here and we had one object over here, and then we aligned them, boom, just like you see we had the cylinder and the cone, right? Remember that? It says, what if you don't want one of the objects to move? So you have one object right where you want it, but you want something else to come in and align to that other object. Okay, so that's what we're going to practice right now. Okay, so let's go jump down and try the instructions. It says drag a box out and make it, let me get myself out of the way. Drag a box and make it 20, okay, back up to the boxes, make it 20 millimeters tall. Now you should know what all these things mean. Tall is this one. 20, okay, it already is 20 tall. Let's make it 60 long and 4 millimeters thick. Well, okay, well, you can see the way the hint is going. So that's the way I'm going to make this thing. I'm going to make this one 60, and I'm going to make this one 4. There, now it looks like the hint, okay? And it says, drag the end of the wall to be in line with the center of the tower. Okay, let's see, is the tower, is that an actual object? Yeah, it is, okay. So it says, drag the wall to be, end of the wall to be in line with the center of the tower. I guess like, it looks, I think like that maybe? I'm not exactly sure what it means by the instructions, but let's keep going. It says select both the tower and the wall, so I'm going to select them. Oh, you know what? Let's put this inside the hint. I guess that's what it means. Let's try that. Put it as carefully inside the hint as you can. That looks pretty good. I think I'm pretty much inside the hint, and it doesn't matter if it's perfect. Okay. Now it says select both the tower and the wall, so I'm going to do band selection and select them both. Go to the adjust menu and select align right there. And step 5 says click on the tower. Okay, now we're going to click on the tower. And now, okay, so after we select both objects, then click align, then click on the tower. Now we're ready to align both things in a way that we want, where the tower won't move, only the wall will move wherever we want it to move, so it does what we want. Let's continue to the next step. Okay, now it says, now you can see what kind of handles showed up. You can see what kind of handles have showed up here. And you can see my wall isn't directly inside the hint, and that's okay. That's okay, because we're going to be aligning anyway, okay? So we're going to align the wall to the tower. We have the tower selected, right? Now it says, let's follow the instructions. It says, click on the limit handle on the end of the closest parallel line to the wall. Okay, so here's the wall right here. Okay, you can see. I don't want to hover over it because it's bringing up too much confusing stuff, but you see where the wall is. Now, a parallel line means something that's right next to it, parallel, like this. The one that's closest to the wall is this one right there. Do you see that? Okay, so we're going to click on this dot right here, the one that's turning red right now. Boom, just like that. Okay, now we'll continue to the next step. Actually, I'm going to pause the video here, and I'll see you for part 6 in the next video. Good job. Oops. That's what I wanted.